rather than just saying how many kids are in level 1 constantly year after year after year, is the child actually growing? Is the child making progress? You know, because if I'm a parent and I see my kids in level 1 every single year, I don't know that there's a band of level 1. I just think my kids at the bottom, they'll never have any success. But if I understand that there is growth, that there is promise, that there is the idea of opportunity, then I'm going to look at it completely differently. In the CST, there were 65 questions. In this current version, there are 35 to 45, depending on the first question the boy or girl takes. It starts going different kinds of ways. Because we are sampling, we are only testing some of the standards. And therefore, when the result comes back to you, you can't say that this is a full standards test, and therefore everything is exact and precise, and the score that the parent gets tells the parent exactly what their kid knows and exactly what their kid doesn't.